Hello you lovely people, this is me Chef Varun and welcome to Rajshri Food. Well, today's salad is a crisp, simple, easy and a fresh caprese. Let's begin. Let me tell you, this is one of the most amazing salads that immediately wakes you up. Well, first things first, garden fresh tomatoes, nice and ripe. Well, next let's move on to bocconcini. Now the difference between bocconcini, buffalo mozzarella and mozzarella, very simple. Bocconcini, soft cheese, Italian cheese of course, the star of Puglia, is made using cow's milk. Buffalo mozzarella, just as the name, uses buffalo milk, both unripened. Then you ripen this cheese and that's when you get the stretchy cheese, which is mozzarella, again using buffalo milk. Now, bocconcini, as this is also known as a little mozzarella or mozzarella pearls or bocconcini. Let's begin. We slice this again nice and thick. Ensure that these little pearls are not damaged. You cut this nice and thick like so. And the beauty lies in the freshness. If you see, the milk is still kind of nice and fresh. Since this is unripened and stored in lightly salted water, it has a wonderful flavor. Well, I can keep this entire. Let's move on to the next one. Well, mozzarella balls or bocconcini or pearl mozzarella is cut and ready. Another version that I learned a couple of years back is actually making a Hasselback version of a caprese, which is again very simple. You, of course, take a tomato and you cut it lengthwise, but ensure that you do not go right till the bottom. You leave a little bit of a gap, you leave a little bit of a space, and I'll show you how. Just come closer. Well, this is how a Hasselback looks. And what we do is, in these little gashes, we keep sliding a bocconcini like so. If you think this is too big, we just cut it into a half and place it in. Few sprigs of basil, a touch of black pepper, a touch of salt, and just a little bit of a reduction. Now you can use a balsamic reduction or you can use a pomegranate reduction. The choice is completely yours. And finally, just if you wish, some extra virgin olive oil. Let's move this on the serving plate and let's move on to insalata caprese. Now let's begin with the assembly. One slice of tomato, one slice of bocconcini. And similarly, let's keep alternating. Let's top this up with freshly cracked black pepper, grain salt. Let's throw in a couple of basil leaves. And finally now, let's top this up with extra virgin olive oil and a generous drizzle of either balsamic vinegar or pomegranate reduction. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, our Italian caprese salad or insalata caprese is done and ready. One of the most amazingly friendly salads from across the globe. Now all yours. Bye for now.